Hey man, I'm just making this video because I'm taking that exhaust off, bro. That shit, like, listen to this. It sounds terrible, man. So I'm at the A&B Muffler where I originally went, and had to go to get cash back. Well, look at this BMW they working on. Cars. Got some truly over there. Yeah, man. Ooh, one for my nose. Ugh. Don't judge me, man. We all human. But yeah, when the car get done, I'm gonna put the camera back on. Alright, they're bringing it down. We destroy or dump motors now. At least for now, until I find out what exhaust I'm gonna do. This my man money right here. Sound already better than that raspy shit I had. Yeah, I'd much rather just have it. It's way better. Glad, because I was not fucking with the raspy shit, man. Well, I mean, I didn't have no mufflers, so I mean, kind of what did I expect out of a 5.0, right? But hey, look, shout out to the dealership I got the car from. And I should go back there. I should go and show them this shit now. But hey, y'all see I got that bump going. It was a white head. But anywho, yeah, I'm about to go to Summit, bro. Cause one thing I ordered my O2 sensor extensions. They ended up being the wrong size, so I gotta send that back. And then I'm about to go to Summit to see if they got like the right one, so I can put those on. So I'll just cut it back on when I get to Summit. That way, you know. But all right, man. I'm pulling up the let me turn down Yellow Bees. Pulling up the Summit, so let me see if they got this part, man. I really hope they do. Sooner the better. Y'all hear that? Ooh, that thing. Ooh. Pull up in the parking lot. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. Get it a little warm start. So I got them. Got the paper and things. Hopefully these fit, man, because the other ones I bought, they said 2018 plus, and they didn't fit. They was wrong. So I got to send that back. And my man said these should work, though, so I'm going to try these, man. Hopefully they work, so I ain't got to do all this back and forth, guy. I need to update their stuff with, why I take my watch off? I need to update their stuff. Like when it comes to the 2025 Mustang. Yeah, man, it's the next day, man. Out here in the car wash, getting us a little selfless wash today. Yeah, good. I'm just getting a little cheap ass wash, and I ain't better spend 2 hours washing this car if it's about to rain. Like, it's about to rain for the next week, I think. So today, Friday, I'm trying to get a bunch of content today while I can. So yeah, this is really a follow-up from yesterday. And I'm gonna stop this, and then I'm gonna continue later when I go ahead and get out. So yeah, a bunch of content on the floor. So we doing all that today. So when I drive out of here, I cut the camera back on. Y'all see I'm in a bit sweating like a motherfucker. All right, so let me park this thing, man, and get out. I had a little like one of those dryers. Y'all know the dryer they got. I ain't gotta explain it, but yeah, you know they don't never get the job done, so we gotta get out and do it ourselves. But it's cleaner than what it was, man. Actually, let me cut the car off. Oh. Yeah, let me try this thing off right quick. Actually, I thought about it. Let me be cool with it. I'm gonna do the back instead. So.
As long as you got your cell phone. Who doesn't always have their cell phone?
Right. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
Is that the way you like it?
Yeah, I just put long tube headers on it this past weekend. It just passed.
So you got your engine all souped up?
No, not really. It's still kind of stock. The only thing I did was just those long tube headers. I only got maybe 15 horsepower.
That's the original. You got the original car.
Yeah.
Especially if you're in Texas. Looks good, dude.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
It's practically brand new.
I was gonna record a little more, but you know, I see my man was talking my ear off. I ain't just want to be rude to him. He said it's too loud. Hey, look, he talk about some, yeah, man. I don't know how you do it. I love quiet cars. I don't want you to know I'm pulling up. You're like, man, you must, what the fuck he say? Hey, what the, damn, I hate when I lose a story, yeah, but he was a cool dude, don't get me wrong, but boy, I don't want nobody take no offense to this, but with them older white people, really older people in general, but especially 2 times for them older white people, boy, they can talk. And I don't want y'all to take it wrong, because I love white people, I really do, but god damn. It's the older one. They ain't the young. The younger ones know how to say what they gotta say and get going. The older ones though, nah, they gonna tell you a whole. He telling me stuff that ain't relevant to nothing we talking about or nothing we doing. But yeah, man, I'm about to go to AutoZone right quick so I grab some smell goods. So, well, look at this wide body scat. That bitch hard as hell. Got the sunroof. Yeah, that bitch sweet, man. Let me go in here and get this damn air freshener. Hopefully that dust I can get it. Alright, we got that smell good. Ah, shit, it's a school zone. Trap boy Freddy got the fentanyl pills over there in the weed house in the school zone.
Everybody know Trap Boy Freddy got the fentanyl pills at the weed house over there in the school zone. You better leave me alone, nigga. You Oak Cliff niggas. You nigga.
Hey, if you know, you know. Oh, I'm low-key driving down. It might be police and shit. That nigga Charleston White stupid as hell, man. Hey, I'm just riding right now, man. I got the smell good. I don't know if some of y'all remember that video. I was talking shit about black ice. Now look at me. Buying that shit. I don't know. I feel like every sports car, every fast car I ever been in, they all had black ice. So I felt like I had to join the team. So fuck it, it is what it is. Unless, you know what? I should start a trend, go back to new car smell. Had them on that. New car smell